Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I'm going to discuss different currency pairs for the upcoming week. So this is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week for 9th till 13th of October 2023. Tell me everyone, how is it going? Did you make good profit? I assume if you have seen my previous weekly Forex forecast video, and if you are a weekly trader, you must have at least made around 1000 pips on the basis of my previous weekly Forex forecast video. Friends and traders, this is Forex, and each and every step we have to take it very carefully before entering into any type of trade opportunities, whether that is weekly, intraday, day trade, what type of or position trade, any type of trade that you are going to take. Make sure that you ask yourself several questions. You have to ask yourself why you are going to take that particular position. You have to ask yourself where is the support. You have to ask what will happen if it reverses against me. There are a lot of concepts that I definitely cover in my day trading videos as well, because we have plenty of time in day trading videos. So if you give me enough feedback, definitely I will be explaining these concepts to all of you. So right here in front of me, which chart it is, this is Aussie US dollar, but for now let's have a look at the dollar index, because this is a very key indicator with us. What I said last week, did you trade it? If you do, I am so sure enough you have made good profits, and don't hesitate to tell me that in the comment section down below. I'm not charging you anything for that, but yes, I charge you a like on my video, right? So I expect a very nice thumbs up button on that like button that YouTube gives us. So what I said last week, just have a look at the weekly time frame of the dollar index. Last week I said different concepts I have explained, and the first, since this candle wasn't there, right? So the first thing I said is that it broke its monthly level, and there is no doubt on the weekly the market gave us this rejection, but we cannot blindly focus on it and blindly trust on this. And exactly the same thing happened in the previous week. What happened is the market exactly took a bounce off from the same level, this bearish engulfing candle. Most of you will remember I have discussed this bearish engulfing candle, and I clearly have told you don't take any sell opportunities on this one because it is false. And by then we had this candle as well, so I said this is false, don't trade it. And what I said even if you are interested to take a trade on the dollar index, then you have to wait for several levels. Obviously the perfect 108.500 is not yet exactly completed. Stay with me, I will be discussing that. But we have to see whether this candle on the weekly time frame, this huge rejection on the index after how much time? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. On the 12th week we finally have got this rejection, so it is sort of like a trigger for the sellers that okay, the market, we are going to push it down. This is the weekly, and I am adding Fibonacci zone right here, but this is not yet final. Okay, this is not final. Those who are long-term traders, stops above 110 can easily take this particular trade towards 38.2% retracement long term, I'm saying, and towards this 61.8% retracement. So nice opportunities, 102.440. but stay with me, I have to discuss it further on the daily time frame. This one sell opportunity no doubt seems very nicely, but if we have a look at it, right here, if you see, I'm just deleting these lines and I'm deleting this. Right here I was expecting that this is going to create a double top. Well, we didn't get a double top, but this level, you can check out my previous video. I clearly marked this level of around 107.63 and 106.74, and exactly the market bounced off from the same level. So for the upcoming week, obviously it has to go very down, and I want to see what news we have in the upcoming week that can fluctuate or bring fluctuations in the dollar index price. On Monday we have nothing, right? On the Tuesday again we have no good data. Then similarly on the Wednesday, for the dollar we have core PPI and PPI month on month, and FOMC meeting minutes as well. So Wednesday is very important for us. And then Thursday, core CPI, unemployment claims as usual. And then on Friday, we also have prelim consumer sentiment for the dollar. So this much it is. So there is obviously it is showing a very nice drop, but keep in mind that it did not yet closed below the previous week close right here. And if this really continues, it will be continuing down towards which level, towards 61.8, 104.632. so as we can expect now some drop on the dollar index, then obviously we have to see some bullish opportunities on the gold, euro, and all of those other pairs. So euro US dollar, now let's have a look at it. What I said last week, what I said, 1 2 3 4 5. Last week I said that the market took a nice rejection from this level, and this rejection will put the price down towards 104,500, and right here market exactly came down right here. So sellers made profit from right here, and this level was also advised for a buy opportunity, and see the market gave good and nice profits right here. Now the market closed very bullish. Let's have a look at the weekly, and same situation, the one that we get on the dollar index, we also have got the same situation on the euro dollar as well. But does that mean that from right here on Monday the market will be going back up? Does that make any sense? Well, to me it doesn't make any sense. So those buy positions we will definitely be holding from here, and for further buying opportunities on the H4, we have to see that if we get a rejection from right here, which is very rare in my opinion, Monday will be slow as well. So I still see a little bit of further up move, and I'm actually planning to take a sell from around 107 the first position, and 108 the second position, and 110 the third position. So any opportunities, if it give a dip, can be bought and can give good profits. But remember, this weekly reversal candles we are seeing, most of the traders now know about it, and most of the traders will try to push the market back down towards this zone, because everyone know that this is a rejection level. So the weekly candle will come back down, will retest this zone, and if you are lucky enough, we'll be taking back. And remember, that is going to be a very strong rally. Now remember, I discuss it in the day trading videos as well, so make sure to check out those videos. For now, I think this story near 107,500 is very nice, and sell opportunities will be very fantastic from there. Moving on to the gold US dollar, and gold US dollar, exactly same thing I said. What I said, 1 2 3 4 and 5, market was right here, and I exactly said that this level is broken. If it go back up, definitely we are looking for 1860 sell and 1880 sell, but it didn't went up there. So on the intraday, I covered this whole or intraday and daily videos, I have covered this move till here, and from 1810 I clearly have mentioned that this is going to be a buy zone. So the market is going to take a retest near 1860, from where I'm going to take a sell trade, and maybe if this sell doesn't work, I'm not going to put a stop loss for it. I will be taking it further towards around this broken level of 1880, and market should not close above 1880, otherwise the things will be bad. So looking forward for a very nice opportunity towards 1880 and 1860, from where I'm going to take a sell trade and sell opportunities. This is gold, very simple it is. If we see the weekly time frame, the weekly is also rejected, but unlike those euro dollar and dollar index, it did not give that bullish engulfing candle. So there is still a little bit of room left with us, that the market can take another retest during the week. 1860 is going to be a very strong level, and actually this level gave good profits discussed last week. This level, this level, this level, all of them in the day trading videos I have discussed it. So fantastic trade opportunities. Now there is a level and I will be waiting for its breakout towards 1860, and then from there I can plan a sell trade opportunity. I'm most of you ask me in the comment section down below about my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number and you can contact me on it. If just in case you are not consistently making profit, if you have problems with greed, impatience and all of those things, if you have no strategy, if you are a beginner and you want some mentor to mentor you, then this is my WhatsApp number. Contact me and I can train you very nicely. You will be making nice profits in this market. Remember, on my regional channel I also tell this thing, that this market is full of opportunities and full of risks as well, but it depends on us if we want to take those opportunities for ourselves or if you want to put ourselves in trouble. So obviously no one comes here for troubles, right? So we will be making profits, we will be taking our portion of profits from these markets, but I need your support for that. And make sure to watch these videos again and again during the week to recall and refresh your mind. So holding buy positions from 1810, and stop loss is way down at around 1730 because I want to take it long term. And in between I will also be planning sell opportunities, because you know I sell and buy at the same time and I make profit, and you can make that profit too. Moving on to the pound dollar, what I said last week, though I was for a sell, I was neutral. I had 1 2 3 4 and 5. Market was right here exactly. It took a bounce, it completed this ABCD pattern and it went back up. What is so hard in this? Those traders then when message me, we are losing money. 1.20 clearly I have mentioned last week for a buy, and if you count, your stop loss should already be at break even. 226 pips it gave you last week. Wasn't it good? Then this who took this trade around 35 drawdown and easily gave 155 pips. Stop was right here. So what's bad in this? Nothing, right? So that's why I keep telling you to try to understand my strategy, my technique, which I share free of cost right here on the YouTube. The premiums are for those who are not consistently making it after even trying again and again and again. So if you are a beginner, you don't need to pay me, you just learn it right here. So Fibonacci, very simple. From there, since that was a breakout point until here, Fibonacci is 1.24729, which I'm looking for a sell opportunity. If I get it, I will take it. This buy position, I'm holding it. 1.18, I'm adding one more if it drops. But during the week, 1.2467, that is going to be a very nice target. And on the H4, no doubt it will be giving us that double bottom as well, but we don't have to get worried about it. This will be a re-entry zone for us. Maybe I can add one more position right here, one from here, one from here, one from here towards that zone, and we can easily make profit. And then again we'll be looking for this level for a sell. Mark these levels with yourself and then compare it on the real market. You will see the real fun when you do this. So it's going up on the daily, and the H4 obviously I will be discussing that in the day trading videos, so make sure to don't miss that. Pound yen, similarly what I said last week. This level I have marked, and just have a look at it. Market came back down, took a retest, and gave us how much profit? 468 pips of profit it gave. Before that, a sell was advised. 1 2 3 4 5 on this candle, a sell was advised. How much that gave profit? 416 pips. So then most of the traders, when say we are not making money, I say why? Sorry, this video is going to be unedited, going straight to the YouTube. So what's next is, obviously this is a very strong level. Even on the weekly, this is not like, see, this is a huge rejection, right? But the weekly momentum it got, it has not yet closed above that. So I will be waiting for a break of this trend line. A little bit of break already has occurred, but I will be waiting for this break of trend line, and I will also be waiting for this 61.8% retracement somewhere closer to this zone. See, this whole can become 184.30 and 183.66 can become a sell zone for us towards 180, and that will be very, very nice. And if a breakout retest and at least till here 186, you can easily take the profits. What's hard in it? Nothing. This is us who have to wait for the market. And the H4 H1 M15, I discussed that similarly right here on the in the day trading videos. So if you are a day trader, you can check those videos out. Long-term traders definitely took profits from right here. TP1 is near this zone. Dollar CAD, what I said last week, 1 2 3 4 5, market was right here. What I said, it is clearly took a rejection from this trend line on the H4, which I will be discussing in the day trading videos, but it get a rejection and it has to go back up and take a retest near 1.38. It did, and it dropped. Where it is dropping now, it is dropping towards 1.35 in the upcoming week to take a retest of this trend line once again, and a break below and a further drop towards 1.3200, right? Very, very simple plan it is. Bitcoin, what I said in the previous weekly forex forecast video, I said the whole plan is right here. See, this ABCD pattern has got completed. 28603, check out my last weekly analysis video. Drop, completed, make profit from this one, make profit from this one. Both targets hit, took a sell, and from the sell, even from 28 around this zone, 28,455 till 27,206. It gave this much profit, around $1,000 of profit per Bitcoin. Is it any bad? No. Okay, so what's next? Since gold, euro, and all of those went up, so what's next? Since this market is going to be ranging in this 27,200 and 28,800, we can say this one 28,800. So let's see which way this broke and which way it break, but technically it is suggesting a further drop towards 23,000, but that is a little bit long-term story. So let's see what we get right here. I want to stay a little bit neutral right here, maybe another sell from 28,600 closer to that zone, so it will be very, very fantastic. Moving on to the Aussie US oil. Last time what I said, I exactly gave this trade setup. 1 2 3 4 5, market was right here, and if you check out my previous video, if we get a break below this Fibonacci, I just want to show you this on the Fibonacci. If we get a break below, we can take a sell, stop at 95. It did not went up there. Even it couldn't break this high. and see how beautiful take profit we have got from the market at 82. Did you traded it last week? I hope you do, because you will be in profit, and let me know in the comment section down below. Now what's next for it? Obviously I expect a reversal towards 88.04 and this zone as well, but this is very 88.04 is very strong, and from there a straight move down. Target 1 will be this support, target 2 will be 73.44. very simple it is. Moreover, I will be discussing it in the day trading videos. Aussie US dollar, I gave a very fantastic trade opportunity. This is a daily. Let's see, this is a pending limit which got hit. So one, let me delete it for now. 1 2 3 4 5. Just watch the previous video, and what I said is that it rejected from a key level and a very nice drop right here. Just have a look at it. Okay, just have a look at it. Around 132 pips it dropped, and we took a buy position from right here. Why we took a buy position from right here? Because it break into the structure. But long term, if we see the weekly, just like gold, the weekly did not close nicely, and these sellers are still waiting for 0.61980. so if we get it from right here, the ideal level in the upcoming week, I'm looking for 65.97 towards 61.909, and 61.909 as a buy towards 0.6597. very fantastic trade opportunity, those who want to take it. And I guess these were some of the pairs that I wanted to discuss. Now I want to tell you one thing, and that you have to promise me you will keep in your mind. Friends, always you have to wait for confirmations, right? And for confirmations, I want to discuss this, since I don't discuss H4 in the weekly videos from now on, but for the H4 definitely I discuss it on in the day trading video that I upload every day. This is for learning I'm giving you. See a nice bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here. Same right here as well. It failed. Why it failed? Because it was trading in the range, just like I discussed it last week. It came back down to 1810 and continue back up. So let's see, this 1860 is my favorite zone, 1860, and to the bottom side 1745. That's going to be a fantastic zone for me. So 1790 can also be a good zone, but for now, since the market is bullish, so let's see if we get a break above 1860. Has gone nowhere. So my friends, this is market. You have to not be too greedy. Just take what the market gives you, with which you are happy enough to take that profit, right? So again, I want to display that WhatsApp number. If you want to learn, if you are serious about trading, believe me, most of the traders, when it comes to me, they have already lost thousands of dollars. So before you lose any single dollar in the forex market, do contact me. I'm not saying just contact me. You can contact another mentor somewhere else, right? I'm not saying you take a course from me. You can take it from someone else, but mentorship is so much important. When it comes to YouTube, most of the traders, what they say, oh, why the person is selling his courses, why he's more pushing more on the mentorship, because that person knows that without mentorship it is very hard to make consistent profits, because you have to identify where you get greedy, you have to identify where you become more impatient, where your lots are more, when you are taking revenge from the market, and a lot of concepts right here. So if you are a beginner, you just follow me on the YouTube, but if you are an inconsistent one, I welcome you to my course. These are one-on-one, right? Just me and you, and I give my personal time and I coach you, right? So this is it. This is for the week. I hope you make more and more profits. Keep me in your prayers. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.